Welcome to my video Exploring Mathematics. Today we will discuss one of the most important topic, that is the locus of the straight line. So here it is, look at here, the locus of the straight line is for also entrance. Here this is very important for the entrance also. So we will discuss one by one more detail about the straight line. So what is the straight line? Here is the example, right? So what is the straight line? Whether the straight line is 1D, 2D or 3D. A straight line may be 1D, maybe 2D, maybe 3D. So when a straight line, so that is what x-axis and y-axis, these two straight line are what 1D, means only we measure the length. The straight line we measure the only length, means x coordinate or y coordinate, a single coordinate when we consider, then it is known as what one dimension body. So when the line parallel to x-axis, that is the horizontal lines, and the line which are parallel to y-axis, these are the vertical lines. So all the vertical lines, all the horizontal lines, including x-axis and y-axis, these are the one dimensional bodies. So another one, so what is the plane body? Plane body means two dimension body or two dimension of the straight line. A straight line also straight two dimension. Suppose a straight line is drawn on the plane, so प्लेन का ऊपर स्ट्रेट लाइन जब ड्रॉ करना है हमको, उसको क्या कहते हैं हम लोग? 2D, टू डायमेंशन. सो straight line is said to be two dimension when it is drawn on a plane. Okay. So next 3D. So when the straight line is 3D में straight line कब होता है? जब straight line is moving in a space का अंदर, means it moving along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, in three axes. When a straight line is moving in a space, then it is said to be what? Three-dimensional straight line. So two-dimensional straight line means when a straight line moving along the plane, that is the two-dimensional straight line. So what is the one-dimensional straight line? One dimensional straight line is nothing but the straight line, horizontal lines and the vertical lines, okay, along with the x-axis and y-axis. So here it is the one of the what few points about the straight line. The joining of the set of the collinear point is known as the straight line. So what is the collinear? Collinear means they are arranged in a straight path, that is the collinear points. The condition satisfied for the plane, that is for x and y, is known as what? Locus of the straight line. So here it is the what is the locus of the straight line? Locus means the condition. The condition satisfied for that, means for the what? For xy plane. So here we will discuss about the straight line that on the plane. So means when the straight line satisfies for the what? X and y, that is known as what? Locus of the line. So here are the few locus, means condition, different condition, the locus is different. So what is the first one? First of all we will discuss what is the equation of the x and y axis. The equation of the x axis, here it is the x axis and here it is the y axis. The equation of the x axis, y equal to 0. Why it is the y equal to 0? Because look at, on y axis x value equal to 0, so it is y equal, sorry, on x axis the y value equal to 0, so it is y equal to 0. So the equation of the y-axis, that is what? X equal to 0. Why it is the x equal to 0? Because on x-axis all the point of x are equal to 0. So that is x equal to 0. Okay. This is the first condition. These are the first locus of the straight lines, x-axis and y-axis. And the second one, you look at the equation of the line parallel to x and y-axis. When a straight line parallel to x-axis, here x-axis, and this is the straight line which is parallel to x-axis with the distance a from the origin. So x-axis, the distance between the line, given line and the what x-axis is equal to a. Then equation may be y equal to a. So when a line parallel to x-axis, that line represented by y equal to that certain distance, you look at, suppose the distance is 3 unit from this. 3 unit from this. Then what is the equation of the straight line? The equation may be what? Y equal to 3. This is what? Y equal to 3 means the straight line which is what? 3 distance away from what x-axis in the positive direction. This is the positive direction. If it is what minus y equal to minus 3 means in the negative side it is what 3 distance, in negative side it is y equal to minus 3. Negative side. Suppose you look at another line here, it is what parallel to x-axis with distance b, that y x equal to b. The equation of the line parallel to x-axis with distance b unit from it is x equal to b. Suppose here it is what 2 unit from this, then equation can be written x equal to 2. If this is a positive, then it is what in the positive direction, means in the right side. If it is what in the back side direction with distance what 5 from it, 5 distance from it, then its equation is what? Its equation x equal to 5. So x equal to minus 5. X equal to minus 5. So x equal to minus 5 represent what? The straight line with the distance 5 unit from the what x-axis, and at the left of the what x-axis. Minus represent the left side and minus represent the downside. For y-axis it is downside, for x-axis it is what? Left side. For y plus represent the right side or upside. Okay. So these are the what second equation and the explanation of the second equation. And the third one you look at the equation of the straight line with the slope m and y-intercept c. There are two values given. What is the slope? You know, we have already discussed about the slope in the last video. So what is the slope? Here the inclination. This is the inclination is the slope that is given. A straight line equation, we have to find the equation of the straight line whose slope is given and y-intercept. Y-intercept means the distance of the line cut to y-axis at a distance c from the origin. So here the distance from origin is c. C means some distance, constant distance. Okay, here this is the equation. So what given? Here two things given for the slope m and c equal to this. So one of the example you will get. Suppose for finding this, one of the equation, we will discuss more about this. So here it is, some of the two problems related to the intercept and the slope. The first problem, obtain the equation of the straight line that inclined at an angle 60 degree to the positive direction of x-axis and y-intercept equal to 5. So here the solution, how to find the equation of the straight line. In this case you look at the slope of the line m equal to tan theta. You know, we have already discussed about how to find the slope when the angle of inclination is given. Tan theta, tan 60 degree equal to root 3, that one. So y-intercept, at intercept y-intercept to 5 given. So equation of the straight line equation is what? Y equal to mx plus c. Instead of what m you put what? Root 3 and c equal to 5. This is what required equation of the straight line. But in the second case, another problem you look at. What is the another problem? In the next problem, so what is the next problem? So we have to find the equation of the straight line. A straight line with y-intercept 3 given, but the slope is not given. The straight line passing through point 13 means the straight line whose slope is not given, but another thing is given, that straight line passing through point 13. So how to find in this case? You look at. So in this case, here y-intercept means, so you have to apply what? Y equal to mx plus c, this one. So instead of y you put y, mx plus c, you know 3, y-intercept equal to 3. But this straight line means y equal to mx plus 3 that contain the point 13. So instead of x and y, you put what? 1 and 3. So when you put 1, here you will get what? M plus 3 is equal to 3. Here you put 3 cancel, then m equal to 0 you will get. M equal to 0. By putting m equal to 0, you will get y equal to 0 plus 3 or y equal to 3. This is what? Equation. So next format you will get. Next format is the equation of the straight line. The equation of the straight line passing through the points or contains point x1 y1 and passing through the point x1 y1 and slope m, then equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, or you can also write m equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. So instead of m, you put m equal to y minus y1 by equal to x minus x1. So here in this formula apply, or this formula, whatever that may be, one of the formula you apply, then you get what equation of the straight line. So you will get how to find what is given. Here the equation of the straight line given. Here we have to find the equation of the straight line. It passing through the point x1 y1. Its slope slope equal to m. In this case, the equation is this one. Okay. So one of the example you will get. We will discuss. Find the equation. Find the equation of a line that passing through 3 minus 2 and slope 1. The slope m equal to given and x1 y1 given. Then applying this formula, instead of x and y you put x and y. So equation is what? So equation is, so what type of equation we get? Y minus y1. This is x1 y1. You consider this is x1 y1. Instead of y1 you put what? Minus 2 minus minus 2, it is plus 2. M equal to 1 into x minus x1 equal to 3. On simplifying, then we get y plus 2 equal to x minus 3. So always keep what x is positive, always keep x is positive, then you take that side, then we get what? X minus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is required what? Equation of the straight line. So what given here? One of the point that the straight line passing, and what the second thing is the slope of the line given. Now we will discuss about the 2-point formula. So when a straight line what contains 2 points, suppose only 2 points are given. x1 y1 is the first point and x2 y2 is the second point. So here it is. So then how to find the equation? So here format is the straight line passing through two points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then equation is the same formula you apply. So y minus y1, instead of you for giving when 2 points are given, the slope is what? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So these two formulas are equal. But what is the similarity? You look at instead of m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So m is directly calculated here, and you put in this formula, then you will find it. Okay. So one of the example you look at. Suppose a straight line contain what? Minus 1, minus 3, and second point is what? 4, 5. So then what is the equation of the straight line? Here the equation of the straight line is, look at 4, 5 and minus 1, 3. So here this is what? X2 y2 and this is what? x1 y1. So now put in this equation, then simplify, then we get what? This equation. So y minus y1 means this is what? y1 means minus 3, so minus 3. This is y2 minus y1, 5 minus minus 3 equal to 8. So x2 minus x1, 4 minus minus 1 equal to 5. So x minus x1 equal to what? Minus minus 1 plus 1. So now you multiply a 5 this side, then you get what? 5y plus 15 is equal to 8x plus 8. So you take this side, then you get what? 8x plus minus 5y minus 7 equal to 0. This is the required answer. So when the 2 points, when a straight line contains 2 points, then the equation is this. In general, a straight line can be represented by ax plus by plus c. So a straight line is always represented by ax plus by plus c form. That is, you will get one of the straight line here. I have just written x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Here it is one of the straight line. Because here this is a means 1, b means 2 and c means what? 3. So this type of what equation represent one of the straight line in a plane. Where a straight line equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then the slope of the straight line m can be calculated, m equal to minus of a by b. Minus of a by b means here the x coefficient is a and y coefficient is b. Minus of x coefficient by y coefficient. So you look at here is the one of the example. Here 3x plus 5y plus 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0 represent a straight line. So whose slope can be calculated. Here the x coefficient is 3 and y coefficient is 4. 3 by 4 whose negative value. Minus of 3 by 4. So another, here you get another important point is there. When c equal to 0, then the straight line passing through origin. Then how to know a straight line passing through origin? So you will get ax plus by plus c equal to 0. When c equal to 0 means this constant straight line does not contain. Means only the x coefficient, y coefficient is there. So here is the one of the example. You look at x plus 5y equal to 0 passing through origin. Why it passing through origin? There is no what constant value here. So for identifying when the c is what absent in the equation, then we say that is what passing through origin. Here it is another format you will get. If a straight line make an intercept x and y axis a and b respectively, then equation is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So what is the meaning of this? So I have to discuss one by one. Here you will get this is the coordinate axis. Means here the y-axis and this is the x-axis. A straight line is moving. We have to find the equation of this straight line. Not x-axis, not y-axis. So the equation of this straight line, how to find? Here you get the straight line intersect x-axis at a distance a from origin. Origin to length up to this mark equal to a. This is x-intercept. X-intercept means it intersect to x-axis whose distance a from the origin. Here y-intercept that equal to b, let's say the straight line that makes what distance b with x-axis from origin. So when two values are given, then equation is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So one more example you will get about what? Your intercept formula. When the two intercepts are given, for example you will get when x-intercept, x and y intercept equal to are 2 and 3 respectively. 2 and 3 respectively. Then application of this format, you know, a equal to x intercept 2 and y intercept 3. Then application of this formula you have to find. Then x by a plus y by b equal to 1. That implies x by a means this is 2 plus y by b means this is 3 equal to 1. After finding the LCM is 6. Here 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. On cross multiplying, then we will get what 3x plus 2y equal to 6. This is what one of the equation, straight line equation. Okay. So when the two intercepts are given, then you directly find. Okay. So another thing you will remember. So reducing general equation into intercept form. So you get the general equation is, suppose ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the general equation. So first of all you take c that side, then you get what ax plus by is equal to minus c. Then divide each part of each term of the equation by c, minus c. Then ax by minus c plus by minus c is equal to minus c by minus c. Then you can also write x by minus c by a plus y by minus c by b is equal to 1. So these are what x intercept and this is y intercept. So simply you can write x intercept equal to minus c by a, y intercept equal to minus c by b. On application of these two formula, then directly you find what y intercept and x intercept. Okay, so you look at one of the problem we will do. So reduce the given equation into intercept formula. Reduce it into intercept formula. And hence find intercept. So one of the equation is given here. Is one of the equation 4x plus 3y is equal to 12 or minus 12 equal to 0. This is one of the equation given. For finding or reduce it into what? Which form? This one? Intercept form. So first of all you take what 12, that side here it is what 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Constant you take that side. Then you divide 12, 4x by 12 plus 3y by 12 is equal to 1. Here cut it, then you get what x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. So x intercept equal to 3, this one, and y intercept is equal to 4. 3 and 4 are the intercept, and this is the equation in the intercept form. So reducing the general formula into what? Intercept formula. This is. So now get, here is the another format. For entrance you have to use this format. Okay, directly we will solve the problems. Equation of the line parallel to a given line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here this line is given ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then we have to find the equation of the straight line which is parallel to the given line. So here ax and by are same, only this constant value change. The new equation become ax plus by plus k equal to 0. Yes, c value is given a, b, c. This all are given in this case, but in this case only one thing is not given, k. We have to find the k value. K is known as what? Parameter of the line. K is known as what? Parameter of the line. So why it is said to be parameter? Because here the straight line depends on the k value. So here is the one of the example you look at. Obtain the equation of a line parallel to a line 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0, contain point 1 1. So 1 1, what is the use of 1 1 point? So 1 1 point, the using of 1 1 point, that is for finding k. So now look at, is a straight line, this one, this is the straight line. The equation which is parallel to this straight line is 3x plus 4y remain unchanged, but this constant value change, let's say that is k. So we have to find the k value. So this straight line means this straight line contain point what? 1 1. So instead of x and y you put what? 1 and 1, then you get what? 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 plus k equal to 0, k equal to minus 7. So after finding the value of k, you put in this equation. Which equation? This equation. So here 3x plus 4y, instead of k you put what? Minus 7. So equation is 3x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. Here another equation you will get another very important format. This is the short form for the entrance also. The equation of a line perpendicular to the ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Suppose this is the one of the line given ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Another line perpendicular to this straight line means here the perpendicular line equation is bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. Okay, so here also you find k value by condition. Okay, so what are the condition needed for this? You know, one of the problem, just very short. So a straight line, suppose here 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. So another straight line which is perpendicular to the straight line, the equation become, here 4 is there, you write what, 4x minus 3y plus k equal to 0. Suppose this point contain, the straight line contain point 2, 3, for example, 2, 3 point. The straight line contain 2, 3. Instead of what x and y, you put what 2, 3. Then here it is 4 into 2 minus 3 into 3 plus k equal to 0. So here it is k equal to 1. So after finding k, put here, then we get what? 4x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the straight line which is perpendicular to the given straight line. So this is the very useful for the entrance. So later we will discuss more detail about the what 2D or the straight line. Okay. So if you like my video, share it and subscribe it. And thank you for watching patiently.